Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Recently, CND Philippines sent me their The Colors of You collection. So now, let's watch them! Let's first watch Self Lover. Now for the second coat. Self Lover is a pale orange neutral shade. Next we have is Mover and Shaker. Now for the second coat. And I'm going with a third coat. Mover and Shaker is a creamy off-white eggshell kind of shade. Third shade to swatch is Chance Taker. Now for the second coat. Let's apply a third coat. Chance Taker is a very calming powder blue shade. Next is Rule Breaker. I'm applying the second coat. Now let's go with a third coat. Rule Breaker may appear a little bit pale on camera, but it actually has a richer pinkish orange shade in person. Fifth we have is Smile Maker. Now for the second coat. Then for the third coat. Smile Maker is a pastel yellow shade that everyone would love. And lastly is Change Sparker. Now for the second coat. Change Sparker has a lighter mauve shade. This entire collection is so pleasing to the eyes. It's a mix of pastel and neutral shades. Applying thin coats of any nail polish is the best to achieve a nice and even appearance. As always, CND Vinylux has such great formulation and their brush is just the best. So among the 6 shades, which of them do you like best? If you want to try out these shades, you can check them out at CND Philippines' Shopee and Lazada. Links will be available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!